Hey team, it's John from Project Mothering. We got another garage unboxing here. This time it's the Hans 4. It's the brand new device, just came out here in February of 2025. A lot of changes on it, so let's get into it. Start from here. Typical Hans box, the exact same white box as before. What's nice about the Hans 4 and the Hans device is that they come with Hans posts. So if your helmet did not come with them, which for the most part they don't, unless you order some of the ones that have combo ones out of the box. That's nice. You get some Hans posts and Allen keys that you can install on your helmet. Not much here in the box, except for the new Hans 4. So we got a whole video going over this in depth, but here we are, Hans 4. It's 10% lighter than the Hans 3. It has some new wings here to help keep the belts in. In here, it's a little bit different, as well as in the back, in order to have less issues with rebounding and more of the back. So pretty neat, pretty bare bones, nothing else in the box, no stickers. What's going on? Detachable new molds that fit inside of the plastic of the molding. Pretty neat. But that's it. That's the Hans 4 in a nutshell. Plain old box. But it is nice. Comes with the Hans post. So check out the other in-depth video of the Hans 4. Can't wait to try this out. It's a little bit lighter than the Hans 3. And I'll see you guys in the paddock.